Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. In today's tutorial, we're creating a beautiful abstract floral painting using simple techniques and vibrant colors. If you love painting and want more tutorials like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, check out the description below for the full list of supplies you'll need to follow along. Let's get started. First, squeeze out mid-gray and pink directly onto your canvas. Using a slightly damp stationary sponge, spread the colors across the surface using a dabbing technique. Work with a soft touch, blending the colors naturally while leaving some areas more gray and others more pink for a patchy, expressive background. Take your time with this step, allowing the colors to merge naturally while leaving subtle variations in tone to add depth. Now, take a half-inch flat brush and load it with ultramarine blue straight from the tube. Using light pressure, press and drag the brush to create small, irregular strokes. These will serve as the foundation for our abstract petals. Continue building your floral shapes by layering magenta, cerulean blue, and purple onto the canvas. Vary the pressure and angle of your strokes to keep the shapes organic and natural. For a more dynamic look, don't clean your brush between color changes. This will create beautiful random blends and enhance the abstract feel of the painting. Take your time, there's no need to rush. You can use multiple shades within each flower to create depth. Play with the arrangement, making some flowers larger and others smaller to achieve an engaging composition. Now for highlights, take titanium white and gently add touches to the edges of your petals. This will brighten the flowers and add contrast to the composition. Keep the strokes light and delicate for the best effect. Next, introduce longer petal-like structures using the same technique. Apply thick layers of paint to build up texture and dimension. Moving on to the stems and leaves, load a small flat brush with sap green and light green. Using quick upward strokes, create flowing, expressive lines to shape the greenery. Add small amounts of lamp black and burnt umber for depth, blending the colors directly on the canvas for a more natural effect. Take your time with this step, allowing the colors to merge naturally while leaving subtle variations in tone to add depth. For extra dimension, highlight some leaves with a bit of lemon yellow. This will bring a fresh, lively quality to the painting. Finally, add a touch of orange and pink in the center of each flower for vibrancy, making the florals pop against the background. Take your time, there's no need to rush. And there you have it, an expressive, abstract floral painting full of movement and color. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step painting lessons. Happy painting, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.